Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Amazon Key Delivery for EV charging packages. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have an Amazon account and the Amazon app installed on your smartphone. Open the Amazon app and log into your account if you haven't already. Once logged in, tap on the menu icon located in the top left corner of the screen. Scroll down and select your account from the list of options. In the Your Account menu, find and tap on Manage Your Content and Devices. Next, navigate to the Devices tab at the top of the screen. Look for the Amazon Keys section within the Devices menu. Select Add Delivery Location to configure a new delivery option. Follow the prompts to allow access to your garage or EV charging station. Choose the delivery location that suits your needs best. Ensure you have the compatible smart lock or garage door opener installed at your selected location. Confirm the installation of your smart lock or garage opener if prompted. Once everything is set, go back to the main menu of the app. Now, search for the EV charging package you wish to order. Add the item to your cart and proceed to checkout. During checkout, choose the option for Amazon Key Delivery. Review the details to confirm everything is correct. Complete the order and wait for your package delivery. On the day of delivery, you will receive a notification when your package is en route. Once it arrives, Amazon will unlock the designated delivery location for the courier. After the delivery is complete, you will receive a notification confirming that your package has been delivered. This ensures your EV charging package is safe and secure. And that's how you activate Amazon Key Delivery for your EV charging packages. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.